Today, I want to talk about the immune system, and specifically how we can use antibodies to defend ourselves. Here's a crash course on the immune system's inner workings in the bloodstream if you're not familiar. There are two sides, innate and adaptive. The innate immune system can recognize general danger, such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and non-infectious problems. But as great as these cells are at bringing attention to a problem, they can't recognize specific viruses and bacteria. That's up to the adaptive immune system, mainly made up of B cells and T cells. These cells depend on the innate immune system to present them with antigens from the foreign substance and to tell them in general that something is wrong. Think of the innate immune system as a computer error system. When something is wrong, the computer can give you a numerical code so you can find the problem and fix it. When a specific antigen or code is recognized, the B cells and T cells divide and attack. B cells can create antibodies, which are always Y-shaped proteins, and T cells can kill infected cells or recruit more cells to the immune response. Let's focus on B cells. B cells that are activated and secrete antibodies while dividing are called plasma cells. During the immune response, they divide and secrete large amounts of the pathogen-specific antibodies, which bind to the antigens present on the surface of the foreign pathogen. It may seem counterproductive, but the antibody serves as a signal for the rest of the immune cells in the bloodstream. Now, the antibody can mediate mechanisms such as the membrane attack complex, antibody-dependent cellular cytotoxicity, or opsonization, all of which result in the foreign pathogen being removed from the body in one way or another. After the pathogen has been dealt with, the immune system calms down and the plasma cells stop dividing. A subset of the B cell population, known as memory B cells, can now recognize the foreign antigen at the drop of a hat and contain and kill the infection, which allows your body to fix problems before symptoms start. Congratulations, you're immune. But what if your body can't kick a disease? What if your immune system fails you? That's where monoclonal antibodies, mAbs for short, might be able to help. mAbs are identical laboratory-made antibodies. They are designed specifically to use your immune system's machinery to kill pathogens and kick diseases, usually cancer, instead of relying on more harmful treatments like chemotherapy or radiation. Their use in treatment has had less side effects, and some, like rituximab, alemtuzumab, and trastuzumab, have become the standard of care for some cancers. There are currently hundreds of mAbs being researched in clinical trials all over the world. mAbs are a small part of the frontier of cancer research, and with time may become the answer we've all been looking for.